sa Philippines. So yun guys, ang Manila nakikita na lapit kami sa taas. So yan guys, nandito na tayo sa airport Manila. Ayan, nalating na tayo.
The local time now is 47 minutes past 9 in the evening. Again, there's no time difference between Hong Kong and the Philippines. The ground temperature is reported to be at 29 degrees Celsius. On behalf of your flight deck crew, headed by Captain Kurt Edwin Bediabco with First Officer Jamil William Servania, together with the cabin crew team, we thank you for making Cebu Pacific a part of your important moments. It was truly a pleasure having you all on board, and we do hope to fly into more fun in the future. Once again, thank you everyone for flying with Cebu Pacific. We ask you to keep your area clean and tidy, kindly clear your seat pockets of any remaining litter, and please bring these with you as you leave your seats. You may dispose of these in a bin that will be provided near the exits. We seek your cooperation in ensuring that no litter is left behind the aircraft. In a short while, your cabin crew will be standing up to do a safety-related procedure. Please remain seated. And as a safety precaution, please wait for the fasten seatbelt signs to be switched off before standing up to get your bags from the overhead bins. Thank you.
So kukunin natin guys yung ating luggage at pupunta tayo doon sa connecting flights natin. Mayroon silang pre-reserve dito guys na train. Ito. Red mark ng Pilipinas. At dito din yung iba't ibang klase ng kubo natin ba ng mga buildings. Yan, may mga display dito na mga antigo. Tayong escalator na mahaba dito sa Ninoy Aquino International Airport. Ito makikita nyo guys yung mga disenyo ng mga ginagawa nilang kumot. Iba't ibang design. Hanggang doon may iba't ibang design. So ang layo ng nilalakad dito guys sa Ninoy Aquino International Airport. Parang sa Hong Kong layo. Ayan guys, nandito na tayo sa baggage claim. So hanapin natin yung ating luggage. Ay, sorry. So, antayin natin yung ating luggage dito guys. Mayroon din dito sa kabila. So dito na lang. Or dito. So parehas lang dito. So wait natin ang ating luggage. So maraming nag-aantay doon sa kabila guys, pero parehas lang dito. Karato. So ayan ang mga luggage guys, antayin na lang natin yung akin. So isang luggage lang na malaki yung sa akin. lalabas na tayo doon sa customs. Nakuha na natin yung ating luggage. Ayan yung luggage. Welcome to Philippines. So ayan guys, lalabas na tayo dito sa airport. Then pupunta tayo doon sa transport tayo papuntang Lawan. So tara guys, tapos na tayong lumabas. So punta na tayo sa papuntang connecting, o pwede muna tayong kumain. Hanap tayo ng food. Ayan, may Wendy's guys. I-try kaya nating mag-Wendy's. First time kong kumain dito. So matagal pa naman yung aking connecting, so mag-Wendy's muna tayo. Try natin ang Wendy's. Marami ding mga restaurants dito sa loob ng airport. Meron din sa labas. So mag-Wendy's kaya muna tayo. Try natin. Hindi pa ako kumain kasi. Let's go! Guys, yung aking in-order dito sa Wendy's. So, nag-order ako ng chicken with rice and wings. So, kain tayo guys! Kain tayo guys for dinner. Nag-isa lang po guys. Ayan ang aking in-order. Ayan, tapos na tayong kumain guys. So, thanks for watching. See you on my next vlog. Bye-bye!